two major life insurance brands, but only one can be the right fit for you. Which one actually stands out? On one side, the well-established MetLife, trusted for generations. On the other, Ethos Life, the newcomer promising to modernize your coverage. We're cutting through the slogans and going straight to what matters most. Points are up for grabs in every category, and by the end, you'll see a clear winner. You might just be surprised by which one comes out ahead. Alright, here what we're comparing. Price and value, how you actually apply, because nobody loves paperwork, right? Company strength, flexibility of policy options, digital experience, and then overall accessibility for customers. Each of these tells a different story. Ready? Let's jump in. First, let's look at price and value. MetLife, honestly, they've got some really solid group rates, especially if you get access through your employer. Plus, those optional riders, always nice if you want to customize. The downside? Buying as an individual, you'll almost always pay more, and you basically need to go through an agent or your work. Now, Ethos Life is where things get interesting. The pricing is totally upfront, no mysterious agent commissions adding to your bill, and the underwriting is super fast for a lot of people. That means costs can be surprisingly low for those who qualify. The only catch is if you're considered high risk, sometimes the price creeps up. Still, Ethos takes the win here, mainly for just being way more budget-friendly and transparent. Speaking of easy, how's the application process? MetLife is classic, agents at every turn, and the procedures are well tried and true, but oh man, be ready for paperwork. And yes, they'll probably ask for a medical exam. It works, but it's not quick. Now, Ethos, on the other hand, is practically made for anyone who has ever wished they could just get things done without leaving their couch. You apply totally online, sometimes get approved the same day, and a lot of folks don't even need a medical exam. The flip side is if you need someone to walk you through it in person, you might be out of luck. Still, Ethos just makes the process so much easier, it takes that category by a mile. Now let's talk company strength. MetLife is like the elder statesman. They've been around for over 150 years, killer ratings, global reach, you name it. They are basically the gold standard, no question. The only knock is, sometimes you feel like you're moving at the pace of a company that's been around since the 1800s. Yeah, it can feel a bit old school. Ethos is growing crazy fast, and they're actually backed by some really established insurance giants behind the scenes like Legal and General. But as a standalone brand, Ethos is still a newcomer. So if you want that rock-solid legacy, MetLife totally wins this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know there are life insurance policies that approve you instantly, no medical exam needed? Talk about a game changer. Alright, so what about policy options? MetLife kind of serves up the buffet here: term, whole, universal, group plans, a huge menu of riders so you can tailor your coverage way more than most. The flip side? Honestly, sometimes it's almost too much and you do need more back and forth with agents. With Ethos, you get the quick hits. Mainly term life, a few whole life options, and they're focused on keeping things simple. But if you want something fancy like exotic riders or those more complicated policies, they don't really have it. MetLife definitely is the king of options, hands down. Now let's have a reality check on the digital experience. MetLife does offer some digital account management and quoting, which is nice, but for actually applying or making a claim, you're usually stuck going offline. It's digital-ish, but not all the way. Ethos is a whole other level, totally online for everything: quotes, applications, servicing, even claims. You can do it all on your laptop or phone, which, let's be real, is such a breath of fresh air these days. If you're expecting local agents to guide you step by step, though, you won't find that here. Still, for most, the digital-first experience is just better. Ethos takes it. Finally, let's talk accessibility. MetLife's got a massive network of agents and HR reps, so for folks working at large companies, it's everywhere. They even have multilingual support. But if you're trying to buy on your own, good luck getting clear access outside of those channels. With Ethos, everything is online and anyone in the US can jump in, chat, email, phone support, you name it. You don't get a physical office, but you do get super responsive help, and for a lot of people that's way more practical. Ethos is the winner here, no doubt. So, tossing all the scores onto a radar chart, you can really see where MetLife's legacy shows up, stuff like strength and flexibility. But Ethos just wins on pricing, convenience, speed, and that slick digital experience. The lines don't lie. Bottom line, MetLife is still a heavyweight if you want that old-school confidence and a smorgasbord of policy options, especially if you have access through work. But honestly, for pretty much anyone else, especially if you just want coverage quickly without the paperwork headache and you love doing things online, Ethos Life is super hard to beat. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more deep dive, no-nonsense insurance matchups just like this. See you in the next one.